What up with it, Q hollering at you? Not too much talking going on in this one. Let's just vibe out, see what we can do. So that's kind of what I've been doing, messing around a little bit. Like I said in some videos, sometimes I like to go a little crazy too and instead of just going with it. So that's what I did so far. Alright, so let's find a little drum kit to put up here. That might be a little bit more aggressive. That might be a little bit more aggressive than what I got going on in my head right now, but let's just play. I know. Okay. That works. Go with it. Up a little bit, get this extra one out of there. Could just use the eraser, but that's okay. Another sequence in here. Might do a run through. Ooh, I like that. I like the regular run through. Yeah, I like that. Now might make one more variation of that. Let me hear the other one more time. Let me hear it run. Let me hear it run. Go back. Woo. Create another variation, another one where I'm kind of chopping, messing around with some stuff. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, messed up on a little tap right there, but that's okay. You see, that ain't even what I demoed just now. Hey, okay. Now let's see how it goes to our part without so much chopping. Let that run back one more time. Then we're gonna go to our first one. Then we're gonna transition to the one I just did. Just see how those blend. Probably gonna dance between those two. Oh, that works out. One more time, one more time. Now to the third one. Now we're gonna go to our long. Woo! Hey, don't take long all the time, man. That feel pretty good. That feel pretty good. Anyway, once again, get some shots up in the gym. Let me know what y'all think about this joint down in the comment section below. By all means, if you're making music, making beats, put it down in the comment section below. I'll check you out now. I'll check you out. Just see what we got going on. Rappers, artists, you know, if anybody interested, let me know as well. Gonna go through the little sequence one more time, and then we'll call it a wrap. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Till next time, it's been your boy Q hollering at you. Thank you for stopping through. Peace.